Do you struggle with solving math problems quickly? The world of mathematics may seem vast and complex, but fear not, for the key to mastering it lies in speed and efficiency. Being quick isn't just about saving time. It's about thinking smart, honing your skills, and understanding the underlying patterns. In the coming moments, we'll be diving deep into the art of rapid problem solving, exploring effective strategies, and unlocking the secrets of swift calculations. Stay tuned to learn some techniques that can help you solve math problems quickly. First and foremost, the key to speed in math is understanding the problem. So let's delve into how you can better comprehend these mathematical conundrums. When you're faced with a math problem, it's crucial to read it carefully. Don't rush through it. You might think that reading quickly gives you a head start, but in reality, it's just setting you up for a stumble. Imagine you're reading a novel. You wouldn't skim through the pages and expect to understand the plot, would you? The same applies to math problems. Next, identify what is being asked of you. What is the question seeking? Is it the value of x, the area of a shape, or the probability of an event? Pinpointing exactly what you need to find is like setting a destination on your GPS before you start driving. It gives you a clear sense of direction and helps you avoid unnecessary detours. Now let's talk about the information provided in the problem. It's like a toolbox handed to you. Every bit of data, every number, every equation is a tool that you can use to crack the problem open. But remember, not every tool is necessary for every job. Understand which pieces of information are relevant to your problem and disregard the rest to avoid confusion. Lastly, but certainly not least, is the importance of knowing basic math concepts. It's like knowing the rules of a game. You wouldn't play chess without knowing how the pieces move, right? In the same way, you can't really solve a math problem without understanding the basic rules and concepts. From addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, to more complex concepts like fractions, percentages, algebra, and geometry. A strong foundation in these basics will help you navigate through any problem with ease. In conclusion, understanding the problem is like decoding a secret message. It involves careful reading, identifying the question, understanding the provided information, and having a sound knowledge of basic math concepts. It might sound like a lot, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Once you've understood the problem, you're halfway to the solution. Next, it's time to develop a plan. Imagine the problem as a massive mountain. It's daunting, isn't it? But what if we could break that mountain down into smaller hills? Suddenly, it doesn't seem so intimidating. That's exactly what we need to do with our math problem. Break it down into smaller, manageable parts. Now, let's get our tools ready. Logical reasoning is our pickaxe, helping us chip away at the problem. Known strategies are our map, guiding us towards the solution. When we combine these, we create a plan. This plan is like a recipe for solving the problem. Each step is an ingredient, each calculation a method, and each solution a delicious dish. And remember, just like cooking, it's okay to tweak your plan as you go along. With a solid plan in place, you're ready to tackle the problem. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. Now it's time to execute your plan. Let's dive right into it. You've understood the problem, you've developed a plan, and now it's time to put that plan into action. This is where the magic happens, where the numbers begin to dance and the solution starts to reveal itself. But remember, the key to executing your plan effectively is working systematically and keeping track of your work. Think of it as a journey. Each step you take is a calculation, and each calculation brings you closer to your destination, the solution. Just like you wouldn't embark on a journey without a roadmap, don't dive into a math problem without a clear plan. And just as you wouldn't randomly wander around on your journey, don't randomly jump around in your math problem. Follow the plan, work systematically. This isn't just about finding the right answer, it's about finding it efficiently. Now, let's talk about mental math. It's like your secret weapon in this quest for speed. Mental math is all about doing calculations in your head without the need for pen and paper. It might seem intimidating at first, But with practice, you'll find that you can do more and more calculations mentally. Take simple arithmetic, for instance. If you can add, subtract, multiply, and divide small numbers in your head, that's a huge time saver. And the beauty of mental math is that it gets easier the more you do it. It's like exercising a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. So use mental math where possible. It might not seem like much, but those seconds saved here and there add up. And before you know it, you're solving problems more quickly than ever before. Remember, math is not a race, but efficiency is a valuable skill in every aspect of life, including solving math problems. By executing your plan systematically, you'll find that you're solving the problem more quickly than you thought possible. And that, my friends, is the beauty of mathematics. Finally, it's crucial to review your solution. This isn't just about ticking a box. It's an integral part of the problem-solving process. The review stage is where you check your work meticulously. Is the answer logical? Does it make sense in the context of the problem? These are the questions you need to ask yourself. Even the most skilled mathematicians can make errors, and it's through the review stage that these errors are caught. An overlooked negative sign, an arithmetic error, or a misread question can all be rectified here. So, take a moment to revisit your process and confirm your answer. Moreover, the review stage also plays a pivotal role in improving your speed. The more you practice, the quicker you'll identify common mistakes, and your brain will develop shortcuts to avoid them. This means you'll spend less time correcting errors and more time solving new problems. By reviewing your solution, you'll ensure accuracy and improve your speed over time. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to solving math problems quickly. Let's take a moment to recap the key points we've discussed in our mathematical journey today. First, understanding the problem is paramount. It's not just about reading the question, but about truly deciphering what it's asking. Breaking it down into digestible parts can help you get a better grasp of its intricacies. Next, we talked about developing a plan. This is where you strategize how to tackle the problem. It's not about charging headfirst into the problem, but about finding the most effective path to the solution. Think of it as a mathematical roadmap that guides you to your destination. Then, we executed the plan. Put your strategy into action and work towards the solution. But remember, if at first you don't succeed, don't be afraid to go back to the drawing board and tweak your plan. It's all part of the process. Finally, we reviewed the solution. This is the stage for reflection and self-evaluation. Did your plan work? If not, what could you have done differently? This is a crucial step in learning and improving your problem-solving skills. In conclusion, becoming fast at solving math problems is not an overnight process. It requires understanding, strategic planning, execution, and continuous review. And most importantly, it requires practice. Practice is the cornerstone of improvement in any field, and math is no exception. Remember, speed in math comes with understanding and practice, so keep practicing, and you'll soon see improvements in your speed and accuracy.